Okay, proofs involving segment congruence. So if I had this proof, EG equals FH, EG equals FH, and prove that EF equals GH. Okay, I'm gonna screenshot this. And then I'm gonna go, let's see here, where's my notability? Goodness, there we go. And I'm gonna put that in there. Everything's just moving a little sluggish here. Okay, there we go. Let's look at what this looks like. Okay. If I have this proof, how do I know? So if I've got that EG was equal to FH, how do I know that EF was equal to GH? How would I know that? Well, I probably would know because those are equal. I would also know that this piece right in here was always equal to itself. Okay. So I'm going to be ending up doing some segment addition. See if I can show you this. Let's see. So let me, if I can't think my way around it in terms of like if it's not making sense, then I give myself some numbers. Let's say if EG was, let's say if this was 10 units long and FH was 10 units long then, right? And what if FG was 6 units long from here to here? Then how big would EF and GH be? Well, I think you're both, or everybody out there is yelling that this one's 4 and this one's 4, right? They're obviously equal, right? So try and do some thinking about how you would prove that to me. Like, what would you do proving mathematically, right? Okay. Here's how we do it. We start out with our statements and reasons. And we start with that EG equals FH because I love my givens coming first. And then I start with some, let's see, EF plus FG equals EG. There we go, segment addition. And then some FG plus GH equals FH. There's some more segment addition. Okay. And now if we know that EG equals FH and we've got an EG and an FH, that means we can set these guys equal to each other. Hope that makes sense. So that's what we're going to do next. We're going to say EF plus FG equals FG plus GH. And that's by substitution. We substituted them in for, oh, that's my eraser, for EG and FH. Okay. Now, on the exciting side, what that means is that we now have EF on one side, and we now have GH on the other side of that equal sign. That's a huge goal that we had here, okay? We're really darn close. Now, all we really need to do is get rid of the FG and FG. And how we do that is we need to, oh, I need to be not in that. We need to be subtracting them, right? Right? So that means we're going to say EF equals GH by subtraction. And actually, in ALEKS, they call that addition and subtraction. There we go. So that's going to be the whole proof. This is what you would actually put into ALEKS, minus the color. You wouldn't have the pink and the purples, but This is exactly what you would type. Every keystroke, every choice that you would pick.